Hey guys, VTricks here with another video for y'all. In my previous video, I told you all that I would show you a trick with the glimpse move that I taught, and I'm gonna do that trick today. And if y'all haven't learned the glimpse move, click this button and you can learn it, and then come back here. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is the performance. Okay. So I'm gonna start by mixing the deck up by giving it a riffle shuffle. Okay. Maybe giving it one last shuffle. Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask my spectator to go ahead and pick a card. Let's say they pick this one right there. Okay, so I'm going to show it to the camera as I move my head away. Have you all seen it? Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut the deck, ask my spectator to lose the card somewhere in the middle. Okay, so I have a trick of vanishing cards. So I just want to make sure that, your card is not lost somewhere in the middle. So I'll just spread through the cards. Don't tell me if you all have seen your card. Just only when I ask you, tell that to me, okay? Okay, did you all see your card? You all did? Perfect. So I'm going to just turn the deck like this, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to deal down the cards like this. Okay, so what I want you to do in your mind is I want you to spell the card that we picked. Okay, so let's say your card was the 8 of diamonds. Spell out EIGHT till diamonds. Make sure to say OF2 because that's a vital part. And then when you finish spelling out all the letters, I want you to tell stop right there. Okay, where the letter spelling ends. So I'm just going to deal down the cards. Okay, right there. Okay, so now we stopped at one place, in one place only. Okay, see, I didn't see your card. I just wanted to make sure that the cards were there, your card was there in the deck, and I just didn't see the cards. Okay, so we stopped at one card only, your selection, the 3 of spades. So that was the trick, guys. Stick around for the tutorial because this is an awesome move and we're going to use the glimpse. Okay, so all you need for this trick is a table and a deck of cards. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get a glimpse at the bottom card. Okay, now I did the riffle glimpse, I think I can call it that, and I know that the 3 of hearts is the bottom card. Then you're gonna ask your spectator to go ahead and pick a card, okay? And then I'm gonna see it too for the tutorial purpose, and it is the 8 of spades. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the deck just like this, okay? And you're gonna ask your spectator to place the card right there. Okay, so you're gonna cut the deck at the on the top half. Okay, the top half you're gonna cut it and place it there, and you're gonna ask your spectator to place their selected card there. Make sure not to see the card because that will just ruin the trick if you see it. Okay, and then now what happens is your key card is going to be placed right next to the spectator's selected card. Okay, now the next move for this, what you're going to do is you're going to tell them that I have a trick to vanish cards, but I just want to make sure that you have seen your card in the deck. Okay, and but make sure to tell them that you don't want them that they should never tell exactly where they saw their card. Only when you ask them they're supposed to tell. Okay, and then so what you're going to do is in this move you're just going to spread through the cards and you're going to search for your key card. So I'm going to search for the 3 of hearts. I'm going to go slowly. Okay, and let's see where the 3 of hearts is. There it is. Now so in this, whenever you do this, towards the right of your key card will be the spectator's selected card. Okay, and then after you find that out, you're gonna start spelling their card out. Okay, so you search slowly for your key card, you find it and you get to know that this is their card, and you start spelling their card out. So EIGHTOFHEA, sorry, not hearts, it was spades, right? My bad. So you search EIGHTOFSPADES. Now after you finish SPADES, I think you're gonna do a finger, I think it's called an index break. I don't know what it is called, but so you're just gonna place your index and catch a break there, and it's just gonna spread through the end of the deck, end of the cards, because you don't want to get suspicious and stuff like that. And then now after you catch this index break at SPADES, you're gonna straighten it up and catch a pinky break. So index break, straighten it and pinky break. Okay, now then if maybe from this angle you can see that I have a pinky break, but sorry, I almost lost the card. yeah, maybe from that angle you might maybe from this angle you might get to know it, but from the spectator's view they won't be able to get to know that you're holding a pinky break. Okay, so the next move after this is you're gonna do a turnover pass. I think I had taught it to you all in one of my previous videos. If you wanna check that video out, click this link right there. But I'm gonna teach you the turnover pass once again. So now you're gonna hold it in mechanics grip. So this is mechanics grip where your pinky is also here, but then you've got a pinky break. That's fine. Your thumb on the left side and your index on top. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna push your, roll your index back in like this. Okay, so from here it's going to come here. Okay, and then you're going to do that, and then you're going to hold the deck with your right hand. You're going to hold the whole deck, okay, like this, but make sure to keep the break. Okay, and then now what you're going to do is just practice this move. Okay, this, like this, practice this move, and then so this is how you'll do the turnover pass. So after you're going to do this secretly like that. You're going to flip it like that. Okay, and simultaneously you're gonna move this top half, you're gonna flip it too like this. Okay, so you roll it, okay, do the turn it over, and then simultaneously you're gonna flip it like this. Okay, so that's how you're gonna do this turnover pass. Okay, and now so after you finish this turnover pass, it'll look if you keep practice and keep practicing and doing it a little faster, it'll look somewhat like this. It'll look as if you're flipping the deck. Okay, and then now what you're gonna do is you're just going to do some intuition. So you're going to tell your spectator to spell the cards in their minds and tell stop after they finish spelling the cards. So you could give an example of a completely different card. Tell them 8 of diamonds. After you finish DIAMONDS, just tell stop, and I'll stop right there. And then this is just intuition. You're going to tell them to do that, and they'll obviously do it. So they'll be spelling out their cards in their mind, and you can also do it because you already know what their card is. So you'll be like EIGHT. All this should be in your mind. OFSPADES, and they'll say stop right there, and you just tell them you stopped. You told me to stop at one card and one card only, and I didn't even see your card, and that is your selection and your card. Okay, and then that will give you awesome reactions, guys, and that will be awesome. And one more thing, make sure to tell them to spell out the OF off. Okay, and that's the trick, guys. Okay, so that was the trick, guys, for today. I hope you all liked the video. If you all did, smash that like button and leave a few comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you can be the first one to check out my new and latest videos. Thank you, guys. Bye.